3.
Good evening. We're back with you here, and we've told you about our latest purchase, but we didn't really have time to be doing this. But we'd like to be getting all this out of our alleyway and driveway here. So we got a Sears 1973, 1974 garden tractor. It has the Olin opposed cylinder twin engines on it, which are probably 16 horsepower. And this is what we got. You know, it's got chains on it. It came with a snow blower and also the cab and mule drive for the snow blower. There's also another mule drive along with this assortment of parts that we have here. So anyhow, also we have this is probably a MTD or a Sears, but it had a 20 horsepower Intec Briggs on it, and good tires and wheels. We also have a another Peerless Tecumseh transaxle with a big pulley on it, which are two tractors that we've been working on. They use this type of a transaxle. Also, we got another, another set of tires and wheels, and just a bunch of parts that we have already got our value out of. Well, let's say the paltry sum of $160 in today's dollars. So we had to pay that much to get the stuff here, and we've already got that much value out of it. Plus, now we've got a residual of things, and I really don't think I want to delve into this tractor. One thing is because it takes a fuel pump, and I would prefer to be having a my fuel tank gravity feed. But there's a lot of good things about this tractor, but especially the transaxle. But still, I don't feel like I want to be delving into this. I'd prefer to be dealing with Briggs & Stratton or Kohler, and I know nothing about Olin's. However, here is a spare Olin engine here. It tells you on the top of the air filter, it says good engine, needs a carburetor. Well, I see a carburetor here, and well, this one has a carburetor also. They both turn over, but anyway, I wanted to show you some of the things that you can get, and they help you in that you get different examples of how different companies do things. And a lot of these things are just pretty much generic, but the different companies just put their own kind of styling on them and such. So anyway, I thought I'd tell you about this. The main thing that is wrong with this particular tractor, cosmetically, I feel, is that this nose cap has this part missing here. And yeah, I could hack around and try to find one, or make do, but I really would prefer not to be going that far into a project like that. Hunting around for parts from 1974. So I would, I'm just going to probably, you know, someone will want to be having this tractor, the spare engine, and the snow blower, and the cab, and the accessories that goes with it. So I just thought I'd just put this video out so I can get this stuff cleared out. And thank you for watching. Hope this has helped you. Most all this stuff is pretty much generic. Whatever road you want to go down, you know, but I don't want to go down the Olin road. So we'll see you on our next video. We'll be back on our 2 tractor projects. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.